US index this week has dropped in value. We can see the week has started here and the price has reached this demand zone here around 102.85, but the price has found even more selling strength and pushed it down up to 102.39, which is very close to the next demand zone below that, 102.20. The price from there, the price reversed back up, and then reached area which is 103.67, and on a Friday the price has reversed back down. So we can see the price has dropped down, then reversed back up, and it has ended between these two price levels. Now we have here a weekly time frame where we can see this week has also been bearish one. We have several weeks with the price going down, and this was expected in the previous week analysis. Now if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see that the previous month has ended as a bearish candle and it has closed below this one, which is 103.56, very important level for the week or for the monthly time frame. The price did not go below this one, which is 102.84 on the monthly time frame, which is also a great signal for the monthly time frame, but not so good because the very important level for the monthly time frame is here 101.75. So we could expect the price going down around 102, which is a round number, and then going down around 101.68. So we can see after the price has made a breakout to the downside, some kind of a bullish confirmation on the monthly time frame could happen, and that is the price reversing back up around 104 price level and then going even more down. Before that happens, we need to see how this looks on the weekly time frame. So the reverse around 104.16 is visible here, what we can see it, but also the price level where the price needs to break above is 103.77. This is on the weekly time frame, and the price after the price has made a breakout to the downside on the weekly, we can see the price reversed back up to 104.12, which has confirmation on the weekly time frame. But now we have a bearish breakout on the monthly time frame that needs to be validated. So this is what I'm expecting after the prices drop it down. It has bounced from this price level, which is 102.85, and then we could see the price going up. But before that happens, we need to see the daily time frame. But for the weekly time frame, we can see a very important level. If the price goes down below 102.85, the next level where the price could stop is this one here. That is 102.12 on the weekly time frame. That needs to hold in order to keep the price above. If it drops down, the next level where the price could go is this one here, 101.87, and below that we can see it is 101.37, but the lower side is 101.14, which is also visible on the monthly time frame. Before that happens, we have a daily time frame. Let's do it like this so we can see much better the market. Let's see, do we have here? Let's check it like this. Now we have seen the prices made a breakout to the downside, the prices returned back up, and we can see the price has finished it here. What is very important level for the price is currently this one here, price level. That is resistance level on the daily time frame that needs to be broken. We can see it here, and not so strong, but it is 10.35. What I'm expecting, the price could make a retrace back up around 103.78, reaching that area. This Friday candle has reached this almost, but I would like to see the price reaching this area also around this one, 103.95, just to confirm a monthly breakout to the downside, and from here price dropping even more down. If the price doesn't go here, if the price goes down, continuing this selling pressure, very important level for the price, this one here, which is 102.85. You have seen this price level also on the weekly time frame. If the price closes down, we can expect, I am expecting also, that the price will drop down and reaching 102.24 on the daily time frame. So this is very important level. This is on the daily time frame, but also the price could drop down even more around 102.03. We can round this number around 102.00. This is also very important support level for the price, and this is demand zone that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling even more down. If this doesn't hold, the next one is 101.37 support level, and also this is demand zone that needs to hold also on the monthly time frame. So these are the levels that are very critical. For the bulls, it's very important, this one, 104.00. If the price finds enough strength to push the price even more higher, going above, making a bullish breakout, this will be some kind of bullish momentum and also losing the strength of the sellers that are pushing the price now down. But what I can see on the market, this doesn't look that there are bulls there are enough bulls around this demand zone, or also around this one demand zone, to prevent the price from falling even more down, or even more to push the price on the higher price levels. This is not what I can see on the market, so I'm not expecting that the price will reverse and go above 104.20. But the markets are always choppy, and you never know, but you need also to prevent your risk. Pay attention to the risk management, but this is what I'm expecting based on this analysis. If you would like to get a free PDF before finishing this analysis, I would like to mention that below this video, inside the description, you have a link to the free PDF you will get inside an email if you would like to get a step-by-step guide how to start trading, and also what are the very important lessons, and also how to use this supply and demand strategy that I'm currently using when making this analysis. See you next time, and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!